So, what are the best penny stocks to buy on October 31st, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is Biofrontera, stock symbol BFRI. It is up today 104% or 97 cents, trading at the $1.91. Since this morning, it already traded 63 million shares. Market cap for the company is about $20 million. So what can I tell you about this company? This is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock that nobody really knows about. And while these companies are trying to develop some kind of new medications or treatments for existing diseases, the market really is very skeptical and doesn't really want to touch that stock. That's why for the last 6 months, for example, this company was barely trading maybe a few hundred shares a day. And it wasn't really going anywhere, because if you don't have a lot of buyers who want to, get your stock, especially new buyers, then there's no reason for stock to go up in price. So some kind of news arrived today, and the stock that was not traded suddenly is producing 63 million shares in trading volume, which basically tells you that a lot of new buyers are coming in, and a lot of people just want to get a piece of it, and that's why there's such a huge demand for that stock. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what kind of news they released, and if this news sounds promising and potentially very beneficial for the company in terms of their revenue and their profits, then maybe you should put some money into it. So Biofrontera Inc., stock symbol BFRI, only $1.91 a share. Next one is Universal Security Instruments, stock symbol UUU. It is up today 39% or 56 cents, trading at $2.02. Since this morning, it already traded 7 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $6 million. So what can I tell you about this company? Apparently it's some kind of security company. Maybe they do, security systems or whatever, but the main thing is that for the last 6 months, it was kind of hovering around $1.20, maybe $1, not really going anywhere. Nobody was really trading that stock. Basically, it was like an unknown stock, even though it has a very long name, Universal Security Instruments. So, but some kind of news arrived today, and actually it's been happening the last 3 days, but today it started to produce this monster jump. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what kind of news they release, because maybe they invented some kind of new security, systems or software or whatever. But the main thing is the market is paying attention. A lot of new buyers are coming in because, the stock has not been traded much in the last 6 months, and suddenly it's producing 7 million shares in trading volume. Kind of tells you that, a lot of people are in it right now. So if I were you, I would, see what's up there and maybe put some money into it. So Universal Security Instruments, stock symbol UUU, only $2.05 a share. Next one is PLBY Group, stock symbol PLBY. It is up today 47% or 39 cents, trading at $1.22. Since this morning, it already traded, listen to this, 122 million shares in the first 90 minutes. Market cap for the company is roughly $150 million. So I'm not sure what this company does, but again, just like with UUU, it was kind of like an unknown company. It wasn't really being traded. Nobody even knew, but probably they existed. So, however, starting in August 29th, when it was trading at 50 cents, it started to develop a pretty bullish trend, and it went from 50 cents to like $1, and now it's already pushing $1.22. So it seems like some kind of like positive developments were happening with the company, but they were kind of quiet. This time though, they probably released some kind of public news and everybody got aware of it, and suddenly, as I said, we have 122 million shares traded, when yesterday it was trading maybe 100 shares a day. So if I were you, I would take a look and possibly put some money into it if it sounds interesting. So PLBY Group, stock symbol PLBY, only $1.22 a share. Next one is Ayurveda Therapeutics, stock symbol AVTE. It is up today 19% or 43 cents, trading at $2.62. Since this morning, it already traded 27 million shares. Market cap for the company is about $100 million. So this is clearly a pharmaceutical stock because it has the name therapeutics in it, and this is what these companies are actually doing. They're creating medications that are used as a therapy for some kind of disease, or maybe the symptoms that these diseases cause. But the main thing is that for the last 4 months, this thing was just stuck at about $2. It was not moving anywhere. Nobody cared about the stock, nobody. But the funny thing is, back in June, like June 15th, the stock used to trade at $25. And then one day, overnight, it just collapsed from $25 to like $2. And that happened about June 16th. So, and suddenly some kind of news arrived today, and all of a sudden the stock that has not been traded is pushing 28 million shares in trading volume in the first 90 minutes of the stock open. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what kind of news they release, because maybe they have some positive results for their clinical trials. Maybe they got approval of some kind of medication they were developing. But in any case, they got some positive news that are pushing that stock. And even if you jump in that stock right now at $2.62, and it goes back to its previous levels of $25 or $26, where it used to trade 4 months ago, I mean, you could make 10 times your money. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look and see what's going on, because you're not too late to make some serious money on that stock, if in fact this news are powerful and strong enough to carry the stock to its previous high levels. So Ayurveda Therapeutics, stock symbol AVTE, only $2.62 a share. Next one is 1847 Holdings, stock symbol EFSH. It is up today 17% or 6 cents, trading at 45 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 83 million shares. Market cap for the company, though, is only $500,000. So it's a true penny stock. I'm not sure what they do. I thought there was maybe like an alcoholic drink, and it's like whiskey that has like 1847 in them. I don't know, maybe I'm just like drawing some conclusions that are not true. But the main thing is this: the stock used to trade 6 months ago at $35 a share. Then over the course of over the last 5 months, it collapsed from $35 to all the way to like 20 or 30 cents. So, and as I said, nobody was trading it. A lot of people got burned on it, and suddenly some kind of news arrived, and now the stock is producing some monster results. So if I were you, I would take a look and see what's going on there, and maybe put some money into it. So 1847 Holdings, stock symbol EFSH, only 45 cents a share. If you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, PNNY.APP, and download my app called Penny Gems for 2,000 penny stocks. It will tell you what are the best stocks to buy every single day. Thank you for your time, and good luck trading. Bye-bye now.